was a perfect shot actually.
Just poured mustard all over myself. N'importe quoi. Elle est bien propre cette voiture. It fits perfectly, I love it. This is so satisfying.
And the neighbors are still here?
Let's say that we can maybe be lucky to see a hakspett in långbensgrotta.
So I wanted to take a little moment to catch up with you guys while you watch these nice moments with my roommates in the forest. When I'm in nature, it really helps me to take some distance and not question too much, not overthink, because even though my mind is like cluttered with thoughts, and on some days there's a lot going on, when I go to nature and I see how still everything is, it just makes me feel more calm all of a sudden.
Wait, so when did the dog die?
And just find some stillness in your mind, which is not easy at all. But I know you can do it, and I can do it as well. With practice, I know it will come, and there's moments where it's so quiet, and I'm like, whoa. Even if it's just like for 3 seconds, I really try to maintain it as much as I can, and always try to come back to that safe space in my head. Of course, there's days where it really doesn't feel that safe in my mind. And there's days I feel really insecure and my confidence is so low. And I feel anxiety and I feel maybe lonely. Actually, I haven't felt lonely in a while, which I'm really grateful for. Because I felt so lonely when I first arrived to Sweden. But for the past 2-3 months, I've been focusing a lot on myself and my mental health, that I haven't felt that lonely, and that is like a huge improvement from before. I'm like so happy of all the work that I have done regarding that. The secret life of trees.
Yeah, well, that's the secret death of trees. How did it end up over there?
And this is basically saying like we actually all have more or less the same organ because this is the clitoris. Excuse me, but it looks very much like a penis and balls.
But don't you know it's also what happens in like when the baby grows?
It's actually the kind of ocean of emotion. Like there's a whole like arousal kind of thing to go into another state. And if there are too much thoughts about orgasms, like an orgasm should really be like a small tipping point over, like you should be on a flow and then accidentally tip over and have an orgasm. Or Euphoria crew.
Euphoria trend is nice, no?
Okay. You're my first follower.
Yay!
I'm the guru now.
In your dreams, Dylan.
Where do you want it? Ah, yeah, good. Sorry, I thought you were meant to have the picture.